We had an $80,000 company before we worked with Crankset, and within a few years we have hit $1 million, and we plan on doubling next year and creating a company that can scale and completely run without us.
When I moved here, I still had my practice with about 2,200 clients. I now only serve 40 clients. I actually make more money today than I did from 2,200.
We developed 3 to 5 clubs because we believe that people who own businesses need to be in committed community. We need a place where we can say 3 magic words: I don't know. And 3 to 5 Club puts us in a position where we get in a room with 24 other business owners who can do that with us together. We can all get to where we need to go in our businesses by saying I don't know together and getting the answer. In a room full of 24 people, you're going to have the answer.
I was my assistant's assistant when I started. I was frantic and working 10 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. Then I met Chuck, and he said, you can really do more than work all the time. I said, really? Is that possible? And Chuck said, sure, I'll help you.
I was a one-man shop with a part-time secretary and a couple part-time assistants. There was paper everywhere, there was chaos everywhere. I just didn't know how to get out of it, and I was trapped.
I was a small business kind of floundering around trying to find some system to follow.
But the business ought to give us 3 things. It ought to throw off money, it ought to throw off time, and it ought to throw off significance.
Well, I work about 4 days a week now, and I work half-time on this business and then the other half-time on my investments. So now I just do the parts I enjoy.
I'm going to Europe for 5 weeks. You know, the people are in place, the processes are in place.
From survival through success to significance.
3 to 5 has been absolutely amazing. I was talking to my husband last night, and we were just reflecting back that it was a year ago that we both were on the fence as to if I should invest in this thing. You know, he had been in business groups before, and he's like, I don't know, but they're kind of not worth their salt. And now we sit back and just laugh, and he is the first to admit this has been the best investment I've ever made. It has absolutely transformed my business. It is also transforming my marriage. It has just been phenomenal.
Everybody cares about each other, and everybody gives input when you're in rough spots, and everybody helps each other to kind of make you grow and see the things that you don't see on your own.
I've been in 3 to 5 Club for at least 5 years. When we started, I was the only staff in our organization. And today we have 6 staff. I'd be sorely tempted to trade my 4-year liberal arts, Bachelor of Arts education for what I've learned in 3 to 5 Club. So, very thankful.
That's what 3 to 5 Club is all about, is getting you off the treadmill and getting you to have a life. Stop letting your business use you. Use your business to build your ideal lifestyle. We look forward to seeing you in a 3 to 5 Club.